Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve assessment problem 12.8 from Nielsen and Riddle book. So the question is find FT is if we are given this Fs. Okay, let's see here. We have repeated roots here. So we can split this into partial fraction as usual. So we'll have Fs is equal to a constant over S. Remember that this is only single root. This one is a repeated root. So we will need to have B over S plus 2. And so we will also have C over S plus 2 squared. This is for repeated roots, S plus 2 and S plus 2 squared. Okay, now maybe let's multiply this out. So we will have Fs is equal to, this one will be A multiplied by S plus 2 squared. And then this B will be Bs multiplied by S plus 2. And then this C, I think that will be Cs, right? So we will have Cs here. Okay, now the denominator, we still have this one. So we'll have S and then S plus 2 squared. Okay, maybe let's break this down. So we will have Fs is equal to, this one will be S squared plus 4S plus 4. So we will have AS squared plus 4AS and then plus 4A. And then for this one, we will have plus BS squared and then plus 2BS. And the last one, we will have plus CS. Okay, and all of that will need to be divided by S plus 2 squared. Okay, maybe let's group it by the power of S. So we will have A plus B S squared, and then plus, what can we get from here? 4A plus 2B, 4A plus 2B, and also plus C of S, and the only constant term is 4A. So we will have plus 4A. And all of that will be divided by S multiplied by S plus 2 squared. Okay, maybe let's break down the numerator of this one. This will be ATS and then plus 240 divided by S and then multiplied by S plus 2 squared. Okay, now let's highlight which is which. So 4A is 240. Okay, we will have 4A is 240. And so we will have A is equal to 60. Okay, if A is 60, then what can we get from here? We have A plus B is equal to 0, right? Because this one does not have the term S squared, but here we have 1. So we will have A plus B is equal to 0. Remember that A is 60 plus B is equal to 0. Therefore, B is equal to minus 60. Okay, maybe let's save that first. And now one thing that we need to do is to find out C. Okay, and maybe let's highlight that. This one here is the coefficient of S, which is 80, right? So we will have 4A plus 2B and then plus C is equal to 80. Okay, 4A is 240. And then 2B is minus 120. So we'll have plus C is equal to 80. Right? And then we will have 120 plus C is equal to 80. So we will have C is equal to minus 40. Okay, now we have A, B, and C. So we can rewrite the Fs as this function here. So we will have Fs is equal to 60 over S plus B, I mean minus 60, right? Because B is minus 60. Minus 60 over S plus 2. And then lastly, we will have C over S plus 2 squared. And C is minus 40. So we will have minus 40 divided by S plus 2 squared. And now one thing that we need to do is just to look up the Laplace transform table to transform it into time domain. Okay, let's exactly do that. Okay, so far we have this function here, and now let's rewrite this as the time function. So we will have ft, okay, 60 over s. Let's see here, what can we get from here? 60 over s is 60 multiplied by 1 over s, right? So we will have the step function here, which is 1 over s. Therefore, we will have 60 ut. 60 ut because 1 over s is ut in the time domain. And then minus, okay, now what is that one? This one is the exponential function. Here it is. With a is equal to 2, right? Because that is 1 over s plus 2 multiplied by 60. So we will have 60 and then e to the minus 2t ut. Okay, and now lastly the last term, this one here, 40 over s plus 2 squared, which is the dem-rem function. So we will have this one here. Okay, therefore we will have minus 60t and then e to the minus 2t ut. Okay, you can stop here, but maybe I will take out the ut for more elegant solution. So we will have 60 minus 60 e to the minus 2t and then minus 4t t e to the minus 2t multiplied by ut. And let's see whether we got the correct answer. Yeah, I think we got the correct answer. 60 minus 60 e to the minus 2t and minus 40t e to the minus 2t. Okay, and I think that's all for this problem. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.